Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing this easy, soft and delicious pumpkin bread. This pumpkin bread has a wonderful pumpkin flavor, perfect with a cup of coffee in the morning or an afternoon snack. So if you would like to see how I made this flavorful pumpkin bread, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm using 100% pure pumpkin. This is the brand that I've used. You want to make sure you're using the one that doesn't have sugar or seasonings added to it. The list of ingredients will be in the description box down below. Okay guys, let's get into it. I'm starting off with adding my eggs to my mixing bowl, and I'm just going to add my sugar. And you want to mix this on high speed until it's thick and pale in color. So here I'm just taking my spatula and scraping the bottom and the side of the bowl to make sure the sugar and eggs are mixed together. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Here I'm adding half of the vegetable oil, and you want to mix this on medium speed. Okay guys, once you mix in all of the vegetable oil, you want to go ahead and mix in the pumpkin puree. So I'm going to mix this on medium speed, and you can see that beautiful orange color. And you just want to make sure the pumpkin puree is well incorporated with the wet ingredients. Here I have my all-purpose flour. I'm going to go ahead and add my baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I have my spices here. And you want to go ahead and give it a mix. I'm adding half of my dry ingredients to the mixing bowl. And you want to mix this on low speed. Remember, whenever you start to add dry ingredients, you want to mix on low speed. You could also use a hand mixer for this recipe. This is a quick bread, so this is an easy recipe to do. So here I'm just taking my spatula and just scraping the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure the dry ingredients is well incorporated. So this is the last of the dry ingredients, and I'm just going to give it a quick mix with my spatula just to make sure everything is blending together. And also, if I add the whisk attachment, I don't want a cloud of flour in my face, so you just want to go ahead and give it a mix. Okay, here I'm adding my buttermilk, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix this on low speed. So to prevent from overmixing the batter, I like to mix the rest by hand. So our pumpkin bread batter is ready to bake. So I have a loaf pan here, and I have it buttered and lined with parchment paper. So you want to just smooth out the batter to make sure everything is even. And you want to bake this at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. So I'm just tapping my pan just to get rid of any air bubbles. And this is the bread out of the oven. I'm just placing it on my wire rack to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it cools, you want to go ahead and remove it from the loaf pan to let it continue to cool down for another 10 to 15 minutes. So now it's time to cut into this delicious pumpkin bread. So once again, guys, I wanted to share another quick and easy recipe that you can make in the morning. I just want to show you how soft and moist this bread is. And guys, this bread is so tasty and delicious. It even tastes better the next day once the flavors start to settle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.